Hi, so my name is Sydney Reeves, and it's the 28th of September. And I chose to do the anatomy and physiology of the retina. So this is something that I drew up just like as the anatomy and the physical structure of the eye itself. So this black part is going to be the choroid, I don't know how to say that for sure. And then the red part around it is going to be the retina. And then this orange um, is going to be the the macula or fovea, kind of the macula and the fovea meet there. And then so we have your optic nerve is going to be what's coming out the back of the eye. And then we have our nerves coming up into the eye, the red and the blue. And then over here in the front, so in the retina, we have these suspensory ligaments just right here on the edge of the lens. And then up here, you're going to have your ciliary body and muscle, kind of just all of that is going to be holding the lens together in place. So obviously this is the lens, and then your pupil will be right here in the middle, and then your cornea right here. And then this is just kind of showing the protrusion that you get, excuse me, from the front of the eye. And then we have light coming in, hitting the fovea, and then we'll go into depth a little bit further of kind of what that entails and what occurs during that. So the layers of the eye, they all provide protection and nourishment for the eye. So you have your cornea and your sclera are going to be your outermost layers. Your cornea is going to be the clear outer layer that helps you focus with light. And then the sclera is going to be the white part of the eye that gives the eye a shape, the white part that you can see like looking in the mirror. Pupils and lens, or the pupil and lens are going to be the next layers. Pupil is what lets light into your eye. So like the previous picture showed, the light is entering through the pupil. And the lens just kind of helps focus and hone in that kind of image that you're trying to form. And then your retina, like I showed, is going to be the deepest layer, and that is what is responsible for phototransduction. That's the biggest, like the retina, if it gets damaged, it can be a real problem. So we have different cells in the eye. So this is also another picture that I drew. Move me out of the way. It kind of shows the fovea and how it's broken down into this little section of the different cells. So the fovea is an area that contains only cones. So like half of this is going to be what the fovea is, and the other half is just like a basic cell structure. So you have your cones and rods. Obviously, a lot of people know that. Your rods are going to help have the best vision in low light, and then your cones are going to aid in color vision. So if people are colorblind, they may lack cones. So you start with your nerve fiber over here, and then you have your ganglion cell, which the muscles are stimulated and controlled by the ganglion cells. And then they meet and they kind of combine with these bipolar cells. And so the horizontal cells up here are going to be these yellow, and then the amacrine cells are these red. They help control the rate of bipolar cells, down here the blue, because the bipolar cells release neurotransmitters. And then these Mueller cells up here, the green, they help just provide support for the retina. And then over here, the purple is going to be your rods, and then these yellow are going to be your cones. So kind of just how it would work. Your light would pass through the lens and strike through the retina first. And then your rods and cones become excited and phototransduction would occur. And then your glutamate is released into the bipolar cells. And then the signal will then be conducted to the ganglion cells. And then the optic nerve delivers the signal to the brain. And then we're able to see the image. So then the eye has like some natural protectors. It's going to be the eyelids and the eyelashes. So the eyelids are going to help protect the eye from foreign matter and control the amount of light entering. And then when you blink, they're going to help with the lacrimal ducts, and they're going to spread tears over the surface just to make sure the eye is moist and make sure it's comfortable. Because when your eyes are dry, it's uncomfortable and itchy, and it's not a good time. So then the eyelashes are going to be another like natural protector. They just help keep out like foreign material and just help like permit debris from entering. So it's kind of similar to just like hair in our nostrils. They help keep like dust and debris out. And then I use the book for my references. So thanks.